Suami Kak Na tak bekerja mungkin dalam masa tu, Kak Na ingat dalam 3 bulan jugalah. Memang sedih lah masa tu, tapi orang kata sedih pun kata nak buat macam mana, kata pandemik kan kita harus hadap juga. Nama saya Azlina Zakaria, nama mereka Kak Na.
So the community empowerment program was initiated to support the ladies, and besides that, we also wanted to use merchandise to spread conservation awareness on turtles. So Yayasan Hasanah's funding came at the right time, and I managed to host 3 workshops that helped these ladies.
Dengan di situ bermulanya saya berjahit dengan orang kata dengan mesin jahit lama tu dulu, sebelum dapat mesin jahit ni.
They are enrolled in a creative sewing course, but there were other skills that I thought they would appreciate.
Apa program yang Dr. Pelf buat, Kak Na join je. Orang kata untuk pemasaran barang-barang kita, untuk cara ambil gambar tu memang ada.
I invited a Nikon ambassador, and he taught the ladies how to take good pictures with only a mobile phone.
Alhamdulillah, orang kata rezeki tu ada. Macam sekarang ni, kalau ada kerja, ada apa-apa peluang, ambil je. Jadi, bila upah tu kita simpan, kita akan kata kalau ada kesusah tu kita boleh guna.
This program has given them a new source of income. It has taught them to be independent. And I guess this is why we started the community empowerment program in the first place, to empower them.